The world you live in is full of people who are lost, hurting, who need hope. However, you know what that hope is. I gave you that hope. You look at the world and see how lost it is. All those people are looking for hope, for me, Jesus Christ. But they don't know who I am. The harvest is plentiful, but the laborers are few. So then pray that the laborers will be sent to the harvest. Beg the Father, if that's what it takes. If no one goes to them, how will they know? But don't just pray. No, I made you for more than just prayer. Even as you pray for laborers, you must have realized something. You must have realized that you are the laborer. You are the missionary sent to the harvest. I gave my life to give hope to the world, and I have chosen you as my tool to reach it. Remember, when you see the pain in this world, when you pray for laborers to go, when you stand up, you have the hope this world needs. So arise, my children. Arise, my church. Get out there and bring my harvest home.